Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm unboxing this Super Junior album Jisung version. So I believe this was made obviously during the rookie days, and I heard from somebody else that it was like a rookie competition where they got to choose a cover from their seniors that they wanted to recreate, and Jisung picked the Super Junior album. I'm not exactly sure since it's really hard to find any details on this album online. So if you know any details, please feel free to comment down below so we can all know for sure where these albums came from and how they came about. But I bought them off eBay with my previous chewing gum promo album. So here they are. I purchased two. One's my friend's and one's mine. They're actually still sealed. So I'm gonna open one up to see what's inside. I'm super excited. He looks so cute. I've only seen like maybe 2 photos of this ever online, and I always was super confused about it. So if anyone knows, let us know down in the comments below. I almost don't want to open it, but I really want to see what's inside. It's so pretty. So here's the cover. Baby Jisung. Here's the back. So it says SMTOWN Studio Jisung. I don't know if there's any of these for like other members. It's not really an album, it's more of like a photo book. There's no disc in here. So cute. Oh my god. He's so cute. Oh, there's other members as well. Oh my gosh. That's so random. It was like one picture and then it's back to Jisung. He's so cute. What the heck? Oh, 10. Oh, this is so precious. Morita. More Jisung. He's so cute. Ah! Oh my god. What the heck? No way. I didn't know this was in here. He's such a baby. Oh my god. So here's a picture of 10 and then Mark. This is so cute. Jisung again. Jisung. Ah! He's so cute. So this SMTOWN Studio Jisung again. More Jisung photos. Mark. This is so strange. Mark. Another Mark. And that's it. There's like no words or anything in here. That's so cute. Oh, I think this is definitely my favorite page right here. He's so adorable. I can't believe it. This was honestly kind of expensive for like what it is, but it's definitely like a keepsake and will be a good addition to my collection. And it's so precious, all their rookie photos. I mean, I don't know why only some of them are in it, but maybe one of you can tell me why. But it's so cute. Ah. So cute. Oh, I love this. Look at him. Oh, and here's the spine. So that was a super short unboxing of this photo book album type thing. I hope you enjoyed it. If any of you know how this photo book came to be, please let me know down in the comments below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.